So right now, people, yeah, we're on the 360 walk in Brixton, yeah, with Ringo Vision. It's a pass through the market right now on Electric Avenue. You understand? A variation of bare different type of things here in the market. What's my purpose to be in Brixton today, everybody? All right, the acknowledgement of the homeless society here in Brixton is running skyrocket. You understand, people? So our aim today is to tackle it, and we're gonna be tackling that for a few weeks. And while we're not tackling, Bobla, you see the shopping trolley over there, so just go for it, brother. Just go for it. Yeah, just should be cross here, so. Let me see you. Let me see you. Yeah, get some food and put some. Eh? Yeah, we use that and forward it back. Yeah, go on, we use that and forward it back. And some food, want some things to put tonight. Yeah. Yeah.
No, man. Bring it back. I use this for my
Yeah, but let me buy some things in it and put in the car. And you understand? And we use up the trolley. I'll bring it back to you in half an hour, 1 hour. Let me use up the trolley, big man.
No, man. Sorry. You see, I have delivery there now for customer.
Huh?
Alva.
Hold on.
Sorry, man.
Use the water.
Okay.
So let me use it, big man.
No, you see, I have a customer here for delivery.
All right. So we still all right. Bobla, you didn't do it good, man. Make up for you didn't. Big man, I need a trolley, you know. Let me use it.
I don't take camera, man.
All right, look. Boss man, can I use this one? Can I use this one? Trolley.
Trolley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can use it?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Huh? Working. All right. This is it's peak. We need a trolley. It's a true. Bobla no gangster with it. Eh? Yo! So listen. All right, back on the movement. Look, Electric Avenue. You see it there. You understand? Yeah, man. So we're gonna touch out on the mains, yeah, and just do the 360. But while we're on the 360, yeah, big up the Eggman. Well, go on. Yeah. But while we're on the 360, yeah. While we're on the 360, we look for.
Have documents our history.
Yeah, man. We have to know the more side. Alright, so where we are right now, yeah, we're on right outside the mains of Brixton right now. Brixton Station. Brixton Underground. As you can see that there's somebody sleeping rough there, right by the station, you understand? Big up yourself if you just come into the journey. Big up yourself. You understand? Our good vibes. We're here in Brixton. 360 walk of Brixton here with Ringo Vision. Looking for a shopping trolley. But at the same time, I thought, let me give you guys a 360 dynamic walks, yeah, of the whole Brixton. I'm here on Bobla up here, you know. Bobla, you know see no trolley?
No.
Sun a shine today though, boy.
No, sun a shine now.
Alright. Bicycle stand. So as you know, like Brixton's multicultural. So there's probably a nationality from all over the world here in Brixton, people, yeah. Are good vibes. So Atlantic Road there. Yeah. So we're still on the 360 walk, people, yeah. Alright, looking for a shopping trolley. Where we're there right now, yeah. We're right outside Brixton Mall. Come on. So across the road over there, we've got the Brixton O2 Academy. You must can see it there. Yeah, man, good vibes. And then right here, where we are right here, is Brixton Police Station right here. You understand? So we're just gonna do a spin around and cut back up this road here. You understand? The back of the police station, good vibes. And also, this is the back of the Brixton Recreation Centre as well, where they've got like the leisure centre, the swimming pool and things like that. You understand? Good vibes. Wobbler, yeah, I say. This is the 360.
More than 360.
What if I walking?
Walking,
But you not look for no shopping trolley, you not look for none.
I'm searching, bro.
Alright. Good vibes, so 360 walk around Brixton looking for a shopping trolley. So the marathon continues, everybody. Yeah, man, so we've done 7,125 people we've fed so far on the mission to feed 1 million people. You understand, everybody, yeah? That is it. So the acknowledgement that there's a lot of homeless and needy people out there. So we have to put the attention back into humanity, people, you understand? And put the love back into humanity. Where you say, Bobla, put the love back in our humanity?
You're walking so fast, bro.
No, fast. Where you say put the love back in our humanity?
Think so?
You think so? You tired?
A little bit.
Alright, so this road that we're on here is called Polk's Road, leading from this road here. You understand? The bridge there, Polk's. Alright then, good vibes. And where this takes us now, yeah, where we're at the other side. We was at the back of the recreation centre. Now we're at the side of the recreation centre, and also at the side of Pop Brixton. You understand? Brixton's full of multicultural, different nationalities, different walks of life from all around the world. You understand? There's so much different things, variations of things to do in Brixton, whether it's a night out, whether it's a day out, whether it's an adventure to travel, to just come and experience culture. Brixton is a place that you can experience a lot of diverse, multicultural people, yeah? Alright, one love to each and every one of you. I am Ringo Vision. Yes, big man, what go on? I can't link you look bueno. This is Pop Brixton right there. I'm gonna be cooking. I'm looking for a shopping trolley. Yeah? Alright, look, bring the shopping trolley right here, so. Hear the music in our background. Alright, Brixton with there. Yeah, man, good vibes. Pope's Road continues right here through here. That is it, good vibes. So as we're on Pope's Road right now, yeah, and we're traveling along Pope's Road, we've got Brixton Village here, right here, so we're gonna enter into the village. Even though we know that there's the least possibility chances of seeing a shopping trolley here. Nice artwork here on the walls here off of Pope Road. And obviously you've got the Brixton railway station, which you can see that is right there as well, everyone. So yeah, man, we're gonna go into the village. Good vibes. Bobla, we're going to our village, you know. Yeah, come in our village. So in the village now, yeah, as you can see, yeah, the diverseness or the diversity is all here. Even things like for the catering, things that I need for the catering to help to give back to the homeless and the needy. You understand? Even here is one of the places where you can come and buy some things as well. It's offering a variety of different products, you understand, from around the world, from cleaning products to household products to things for toiletries, things for medicinal purposes, you understand? A good vibes. And also we have like technology, mobile phones, you understand? Yeah man, fashion jewelry as well, a good vibes. Bubbler like that. You like that, Bubbler? Bubbler wants some bling. Let's get Bubbler some bling, everyone, yeah? Alright, we need Bubbler in one of them big chains there, king chain. The king chain, yeah? And that is it. Alright, so we've got the fishmongers here in here as well. You've got a variation of different fruit and vegetable stalls as well. This is Knorr, established in 2000. We're in 2024 now, so that's 24 years they've been here. So yeah man, big them up. They've been serving the community of Brixton for 24 years. Yeah? Well done to them. And then we've got Masoda Limited, all exotic fruits and vegetables. Welcome to Senegal culture. Senegal culture right there in Brixton village. And over here we got welcome to Brixton. Wow. So there's a lot of Brixton. We're in Brixton, you understand? And Senegal, over in Senegal. With our Senegal people, yeah. Look, and in Senegal we have things like okra, thyme, red pepper, green pepper, cabbage, butternut squash, Scotch bonnet peppers, different ones, lemon, lime, turnip, you know, garden egg there, you understand? Ginger, turmeric, cucumber, carrot, scallion, red onion, aubergine, peanut, yeah man, pumpkin. Grandma them look for the best sweet potato. Mummy, I don't know which one I like sweet potato because I soon not dig in the back there.
I don't even know myself now.
Yeah? I just the right one.
You buy something?
Yeah, I'm venturing in Brixton today, looking, shopping and checking out the culture. But I was just intrigued by how you're searching, so I was wondering if there was something particular that you was looking for in the sweet potato. Okay, you have to ask the elder them where I go on now, but we'll leave them and let them go on. Look, jelly coconut. Boss man, big up Senegal, you know? Big up Senegal. Yeah. Yes, big up Senegal, yeah? We're just doing a YouTube vlog and I'm just documenting your shop and letting people know where your shop is in Brixton. Yeah. So where people can find you here at the Brixton village, and I'm just showing them what products you're supplying. Yeah. Thank you very much, yeah? Alright, no problem. Alright, thank you. Big up, yeah, big up. Yes, people. So this is one of the places you can come to when you come down to the village. You understand? Yeah man, Khan, Dashin, the gentleman there said just pick up some cocoa. I go home with some cocoa. You see, I go home with some cocoa. Mama, I go home with some sweet potato. Yeah, man. People like them root vegetable, you know? Proper things, don't you? have to eat the proper food. Yeah, cause that is it. Yeah, man. So the dash in there, now. Bubbler, show them with cassava.
Yeah, cassava.
Yeah, that is the cassava. See, the bubbler have the cassava and a root vegetable that they in the bubbler. Yeah, alright. And you got the eddos. Find the yam, the bubbler. Pick up the yam to show people. Find the yam there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, this sounds big, blood. Oh my god.
Mad. Look at that yam there. A good vibes. Yeah, man. All exotic papaya, pomegranate, and grapes with seeds in it. You understand? Dragon fruits, avocado. The real bananas, key limes. Yeah man, a good vibes people, yeah. And then we've got Latin and Caribbean food store. Look, their telephone numbers there as well. Look, they got sugar cane down there, so breadfruit, some callaloo. You understand? Look, they got a variation of things people, yeah, said way. You understand? And inside, you know, say well, they got different products that you understand, import, export, that them are deal with, yeah, sir. And look at the variation of vegetables that they've got here as well, people, yeah. Yeah, man, look at them beetroot there, people. Look at the beetroot. It's all about health. It's all about wealth. The beetroot. Yeah, man. And look at these oranges, them. You understand? Good vibes. So you come down, look how the shop's stocked up on the outside, like we're here at the village, but look how the shop's stocked up. You understand? Yeah, with all the different variation of products. Here at Brixton Village is offering you a lifestyle, a culture, fashion, art, everything, people, yeah? Big up Brixton Village, big up the culture, you understand? Big up the people, them. Black Seed, this shop's called, you understand? A good vibes. Different arts and crafts, and you can come here, you know, you can come here and eat out, have a lunch, have a dinner, have a breakfast. You understand? Look, Brixton, that is it. So we've come here now. We're still on our 360 walk, people, yeah, just giving you the whole dynamics, yeah, man, of Brixton. 5th Avenue. Welcome to 5th Avenue. You understand? Down at 5th Avenue, there's some people, yeah? All right. You can see that there's some repairs going on here at Craft. You understand? But you say you guys are setting up for opening? You setting up for reopening, boss? Setting up for reopening?
No, this is an opening for like 4 hours.
Okay. Good vibes, good vibes. What kind of food do you supply here?
Burgers, ribs, mac and cheese bites, wings.
Okay, so a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. Literally.
Yeah, man, so you can come down to Smoke Barbecue, the joint. The joint, yeah?
Yeah.
That is it. At the village, come down to the joint, people, yeah? Yeah, man, like I said, there's a variety, there's a variation. Wow, and this is sneaking on the food, and food looks so lovely over there. They're eating away, munching away. Food looks nice. Yeah, man, we're here at the village, people, yeah? Let's just go to the other entrance of the village so that you can see where the village leads you out. We're coming off of Pope Road, remember, yeah? And now we've touched out, look, the village. So that's it, look. Yeah, man, what a place. An environment full of culture. Jam and Brixton. No, Jim and Brixton. Sorry. So yeah, man, look, you come out right here and yes, a good vibes. So we're gonna go this way, Bobla. Alright, so Bobla, where we are is come out that road. We're there, Colaba Lane, we're there now. So this is the Colaba Lane entrance. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back into the village here at Colaba Lane entrance now, and then we're gonna yeah, you can come to the Brixton and just jam out, people, yeah. Yeah. Wolf dog. Yeah, man. Yeah. A good vibes. Big up yourself, mommy. I want love, you know. Yeah, man. I be love me, I sure. No. Yeah. A good vibes. Yeah. So look here. Big up the shop here. This is, I'm sorry, what's the name of your shop, love? Leona. Listen, when you come down to Brixton Village, yeah, come and check out Leona. She's one of the first shops on the entrance of Colaba Lane. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Leona, big up yourself. Thank you. That is it. We got the Mac factory, you know. We say this is this the Mac factory, yeah? Yes. What do you guys make here?
So we are opening tomorrow.
Now you almost see a cooking at the bush.
Yeah. Respect. Yeah, respect.
Yeah, why you cook everything?
Yeah, respect. Bless. Yeah. Yes, boss. Sorry, what do you offer
We're
here?
opening tomorrow. Pizza, pasta.
Pizza and pasta.
Mac and cheese.
Is it your first opening?
No, we've been here for a while. We're changing our menu, so close the menu.
I must come and check you one at a time. I'm doing a vlog of Brixton Village at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, so just to show that people where you are,
Thanks, man.
and that you're here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some people that may not know that you're here, but now they'll know. Have a good day, yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, man. Brixton is diverse, full of culture. Look, we've got Owie. Is this Owie's here, yeah? Did I pronounce the name right? Uri. All right, big up Uri. So Uri's here at Brixton Village as well. What is it vegan based? Okay, so look, this is a vegan based shop, people, yeah? So if you're looking for some vegan food, nothing without meat, nothing without fish, come and check out Uri's, yeah? They've got burgers on the menu as well. They've got chick-in. Is it chick-in? All right, a good vibes. Big up yourself, yeah? Have a good day. I like how you lot are cleaning down the shopping hall because hygiene is so important when it comes to food. And I'm just showing people that I'm vlogging, but at the same time, look guys, yeah, you can see that they're in here and they're doing a marvelous work. They're making sure that when their first guests come in, it's absolutely sparkling. Have a good day, yeah? Yeah. A good vibe. Ooies. And then we've got Guzzle, you know. Guzzle, is it Guzzle? Did I pronounce the name right? Guzzle?
Yes, sir.
Look, when you come down from Cole Harbour Lane and you come in, everyone, come down to Guzzle. They're here in Brixton Village. What do you supply? I can smell, yeah. Is it all natural drinks?
No, so we do wine, coffee, tea, chocolates, hot sauces, condiments,
Lots of nice beers, olive oils.
lots of cups.
But your packaging in this shop is not like your normal high street corner shop. It looks very...
It's all small batch.
Small batch, yeah. Lots of local stuff as well.
Okay, so that's what I was trying to get at. It's more produced from locals and...
Yeah, and small producers.
So you're getting a more richer taste then, yeah? Yeah, because more quality. More love into the thing. Look, people, yeah, they're giving you some real good stuff from local local farmers and
Local producers, local makers.
yeah.
Small batches, yeah.
I'm a local maker as well. Can I leave you one of my seasonings? Yeah, I'm a chef. I'm on YouTube. So what I'll do, yeah, I'll leave you one of my seasonings. Just try it. I'll pop back in again. One second. Okay. So we reached back here, yeah, at Ali Food Store. Yeah, Latin and Caribbean groceries, yeah. So we reach back there. So look on the outside now, yeah. They've got saltfish now. They've got cheese crunchies, banana chips, cheesies. You understand? Different little variations of little snacks and things. You understand? Yeah, man. Our good vibes, big them up. You understand? 5th Avenue again. You understand? And look in here, yeah, so. Remember you say I buy some pigtail? Yeah. Alright, so kind of soup you go cook? Stew pea soup.
But no, stew peas. But the man a rasta, the man.
Yeah, cause you have to see how I go on. Alright, no say nothing. Bubble a few type of food that you know.
Jamaica love them stew peas from Wednesday.
Yeah, I chew. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah, bless. Big man, wagwan, you alright, yeah? Good vibes. Huh? Yes. But I'm coming back. Yeah? Alright, good vibes. Fishmonger's here. Elisa Fish Shop and Oyster. That is it. He's one of the best fishmongers in Brixton, by the way, yeah? A good vibe. So Bobla, well, enough characters in Brixton. Top man. Alright. Rasta man. You understand? So when we come out at the village again, big up big man. Bless. When we come out at the village right now, we end up Piazza.
Coming in. The doing it. I want to come out.
Alright, so we end up on Atlantic Road. So we're still on the little 360. Alright. Give you the last dynamics of the 360 people, yeah. Brixton 360 with Ringo Vision. We're going to Market Row. You understand? It's Market Row, yeah. It's a next type of village, but this one is a bit different. Let's step in, people. Look, you can see that all over Brixton they've got loads of little market stalls there, yeah. Alright. The people them need help down there, so in Brixton as well. Go black forward. Yes, I got soup. It'll be ready in about an hour and a half. You know about the recreation centre?
What do you know about challenge? What else you gonna have?
Everything.
Yeah, what time?
In about an hour and a half. Alright, so look, you know, it's real life here. Bubble, I told you, it's a soup thing, they love the soup, it's a soup vibes. Yeah, no soup today. No soup today. Butchers here, yeah man, meat, a chop up. Ramsey, fishmongers, Phillips, butchers right there, sir. A good vibes. And then you got Adams Jewelry there. A good vibes, people, yeah. Market Row. Oh yeah. In there looks a little bit uptown, up market. The Black Butchers Farmer. Alright, the Black Farmer. Alright, we're going this one time already, so yeah man. We left them in this about them there. You never been in there before, Babla?
No, I met this place in the 70s, man. I haven't been here, man.
Mad, you see? See? It's been there long before that. What are you talking about? Babla said he ain't been there before. Yeah man, so a good vibe, so see it there? Esme's, remember Esme's? Charlie them hook up. Charlie them chain up. No, upon this man. The trolleys them are trained up. Brixton. Alright people, so Bob's where I gone? So look, see the village is way down underneath that bridge there, the village. And we'll come out Brixton Road on the side here, Calabar Lane, and look how we're gonna step back in at the market now. At the 360 may I show you people here, a good vibes. Yo! Where are going, Pen? I'm on Calabar Lane looking for a shopping trolley. Yeah, I'm looking for a shopping trolley right now. I asked someone, they press the button right now and it goes, it glitch. It locks here. Yeah. Alright, say nothing. Yeah. Alright, good vibes. Alright people, friends on his way. Yo Docs, you out Ted? What go on? My family.
You don't know, cuz.
I'm doing the cooking today still.
What, down there?
In Brixton.
Yeah?
Yeah? I'm gonna be recreation centre. Alright, look. Yeah. One love. Yes people, old school family them there. A good vibes. That is it. Outside. The famous satay bar. If you know Brixton, you must know the famous satay bar. You must know the famous Ritz Cinema. You understand people, yeah? Bobla, how the walking? What if I walking here today, man? What if I walking? Yeah, man, good vibes. That is it. And look where we are right now, yeah? This is the like an entrance right here to Calabar Lane right there. You understand? So you can see that we've been coming up Calabar Lane. You understand? You got over there is Windrush Square. That's where we was giving out the food. So if you check the previous videos on the channel, you see that we was at Windrush Square. You understand? The Ritz Cinema is right there, sir. You understand? And the library and thing. And we're right here there's the heart of Brixton right over there, Windrush Square. And we are right here in town. So we're doing the 360 and the 360 is this way. And let's enter back towards the market, people here. Back onto Electric Avenue. You understand? Our good vibes, big up yourself. Brixton Community Law Centre over there. Therapy center. Yeah, Bobla. Where I say?
Go get them shop and get one of that shop.
What, the shopping trolley? Yeah, we'll see you just now. Alright. Eh? It's not about the pound. The thing, these ones I don't know, there's something with them that they jam. That's an extra arcade piece there. You understand? Let me call that one else. This one here. This one here is called the Reliance Arcade, people here. Alright, good vibes. And then where we got right here, we are cook right at the center point right here, the other there as well also. So where we reach right now, everyone, thank you very much. Big up yourself. You call me Wagwan?
Yeah.
A good vibe, man.
Yeah,
You on this side, is that shop?
ready?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I've been seeing it, I get excited.
Yeah, that shop.
And I soup never got some of
That shopping Charlie, me I look for to go pick it up.
Is it?
Yeah.
So where one is that you say?
Me don't know somebody move it.
Oh.
So me have to look for one right now.
Okay, but grab some for us.
For them one kind of funny. For them one, they have black panic.
Oh, see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we cut through market where we come. Everything good do.
Yeah, man, everything. That's
Alright.
what we are doing about one time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now forward in you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, a strength. You know, it's like a date activity, you know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah, true.
Thing I kick off, brother, I love it.
Alright.
Sometimes when you see the thing, I
Yeah.
blow, you can't do that and go for those strength the thing.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So I love what I go and blood.
Alright,
But
we
I
call
thing
it.
and go and do it.
Yeah?
See,
Alright,
see
love,
that?
yeah? Yeah, man. Bobla, yeah, man, big up your Carby people, yeah? Musician from South London, reggae, vocal artist. You understand? A good vibes. Yes, so we're back here, Electric Avenue, where we begun. There's the Eggman that we big up the Eggman, you understand? Close them there, so. And where we're gonna walk back, you understand? You have to be on a, you see right now, Charlie. We need a Charlie. Sky View at Brixton. 360. Dynamics in high place. Come in. Hat look good. Yeah, man. Bobla. Alright, that's how we begin now. No, we're not getting no Charlie, no Bobla. Right, tell something forward back in the Artex.
Yeah,
Addis Ababa.
to the world and its people, you know.
That is it. Addis Ababa to people, you know, just close off the thing for the people.
And we make them know so Ringo the teach, you know, how to cook on ital food. So leave out the eye, the teeth and the tongue. No more, no may, no more. Let your food be your medicine and your medicine
Be your food.
That we start on a Tuesday with. I world and see it there, everything in the herbal the right there.
Yes, people here, the whole 360. Big up Addis Ababa, big up Artex. You don't know, say one movement. Yeah, galaxy to the world. That is it. A good vibes. the 360, and we're gonna go and look for a shopping trolley real quick and fast right now, yeah, and kick this thing off, yeah. So look out for that cooking video, yeah, that's gonna be coming out. We've just done the walk through Brixton, people, yeah, and just show you the dynamics of Brixton. Next time, we're gonna show you some historical points of Brixton, you understand? You understand? Our good vibes, one love.
That's it, man. Not today, man.